Guys, we need to talk in detail about Tiny11, the community-built, stripped-down version of Windows 11 that many people are using to revive old PCs, bypass hardware checks, and save on resources. Tiny11 25H2 is not just a light version. It represents a serious trade-off and a powerful tool in the right hands. I'll explain what Tiny11 actually is, why it's popular, what benefits it brings, what the major risks are, and who should or should not try it. First, Tiny11 is a custom build created by NTDEV Labs. It uses PowerShell scripts to remove a large portion of the default Windows 11 installation, including built-in apps, background services, telemetry, and features that many users never use. Items like Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Copilot, Xbox apps, OneDrive, Clipchamp, News, Weather, Get Help, Get Started, Office Hub, Solitaire, People, Power Automate, To Do, Alarms, Mail and Calendar, Feedback Hub, Maps, Sound Recorder, Phone Link, Media Player, and Quick Assist can be removed. This creates a much smaller, leaner installation that is more efficient for low-spec or unsupported machines. Tiny11 25H2 supports the latest Windows 11 build, which means you are not stuck on outdated software. The builder offers two modes: Standard Mode, which keeps most servicing and update functionality intact, and Core Mode, which removes servicing hooks, update components, and recovery capabilities for a smaller footprint. The builder uses advanced compression, including DISM-based recovery compression, to drastically reduce the ISO size. Users report installation sizes of only 3 to 4 gigabytes compared to the much larger footprint of standard Windows 11. When you install Tiny11, the script mounts your original Windows 11 ISO and removes the chosen components. It also applies registry tweaks, disables unnecessary scheduled tasks, and can optionally skip Microsoft account login during setup, letting you use a local account. In Core Mode, additional system services, update components, and WinSXX elements are removed, creating an extremely lightweight system, but reducing update and recovery capabilities. To install Tiny11, you first need an official Windows 11 ISO. Then you download the Tiny11 builder script. You run it in PowerShell with execution policy bypassed, point it to your ISO, choose your Windows edition, select Standard or Core Mode, and select which apps and services to remove. The script then rebuilds a new ISO using ADK tools like oscimdig.exe and applies compression. You boot from the USB with the new ISO and install Tiny11 as you would a normal system. After installation, you should test your system, verify removed apps are gone, and check performance and update behavior. The benefits of Tiny11 include smaller disk usage, lower RAM usage, faster startup times, and improved responsiveness on older or lower performance hardware. It allows older PCs that do not meet Microsoft's hardware requirements, such as TPM 2.0 or Secure Boot, to run Windows 11. It also appeals to DIY enthusiasts who want to customize exactly what is installed and maintain more control over their system. Tiny11 can run offline reasonably well, which is useful for isolated workstations or labs. However, there are important risks. Tiny11 is not officially supported by Microsoft, meaning no warranty or official troubleshooting. Core Mode builds may prevent updates and reduce recovery options. Removing security features like Windows Defender or bypassing hardware checks can increase vulnerability. Compatibility issues may arise, such as drivers, games, or apps failing due to missing components. Pre-built ISOs from unauthorized sources can be dangerous, so it is safest to build your own image from an official ISO. Upgrading Tiny11 to newer builds may require a clean install, and installation may fail on certain older devices. Tiny11 is best suited for older PCs that cannot officially run Windows 11, tech enthusiasts, and users comfortable building and maintaining a custom OS. It is not recommended for mission-critical systems, users who need strict security or full Windows Update functionality, or those who want a fully supported, stable Windows experience. In summary,
Tiny11 25H2 is a powerful tool that can breathe new life into older hardware, improve performance, reduce memory and storage usage, and remove unwanted features. But it comes with risks, including update limitations, security concerns, and potential compatibility issues. If you are technically comfortable, Tiny11 offers a lot of control and efficiency. If you prefer a fully supported, stable Windows environment, it may be better to stick with official Windows 11 versions. Thank you for listening. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is Tiny11 a smart workaround or too risky? Would you try it on your old PC?